Welcome to the Start Center of EZMax Mobile. Think of the Start Center as the home plate for work orders, preventative maintenance, and time card entry. For most folks, you just need to enter some time and close a work order. So let's do that by tapping on My Work Orders. Let's tap on the second one in this list. For each work order, all you have to typically do is enter your hours under labor, read and/or make a work log entry, and then change the status of the work order. Let's put some hours in first. Let's tap the labor button on the top left. Notice there's some entries here. Looks like we've put on 3.5 hours today already, and we've put some hours in the past on prior dates. To put a new entry, all you need to do is go to the top right hand side of the screen and tap on the plus button. From here, we want to verify a couple things: the date, the hours, and the shift. For example, need to add hours to a date other than today? No problem. Simply click on the calendar on the right side of the screen and adjust the date accordingly. Okay, let's enter some time. How about 2 hours? To do this, simply tap on Hours, key in the number 2, and push Return. Notice how EZMax autofills the colon and the extra zeros. If you would like to adjust this by increments of 15 minutes, simply tap the minus or the plus sign. For example, let's go back and make this 1 hour and 45 minutes. Or back to 2 hours. Step number 3. Verify it's the correct shift. Day shift is the default. However, if this is a 12-hour shift, grave, night, or swing, simply tap on the shift that is appropriate. Let's leave this on day. Now we're going to verify date, hours, shift. Once we have these 3 things, we can push the Save button on the top right side of the screen. Now, let's take credit for the work. We're going to tap on Work Log on the left side of the screen. You want to get in the habit of reading the work log before beginning the work, and then also making an entry after you've completed the work. Let's tap on the plus sign on the top right side and add a new entry. We have the option of choosing Appointment Note, Client Note, Update, or Work. Typically, you're going to select either Client Note by default or Work if you want to exclude this from being visible to the customer. Now, tap on the Summary field, and instead of typing, you can utilize the microphone function of the iPad and put in the description of the job status. The equipment has been adjusted accordingly, and the job is now complete. Push Done. Go up to the Save button and save your entry. Now, last step. You've just put in labor, you've put in a work log entry, you need to change the status. Let's click on the top left side of the screen and change the status. This work order was already in progress. Typically, you will either choose In Progress or Completed. Since we finished the job, let's click on Completed, and then push OK. Now we have changed the status, we've entered hours, and we've made a work log entry. Let's save this and call it a day. And that's it. You've just successfully entered hours on a work order in EZMax Mobile. Thanks for watching.